what up everyone, my name is Fanuel. I'm with my co-host here, Prince, as welcoming you to another exciting episode of Soccer Forensics. Ntwana Ukraine.
Boy.
Sweet man.
Oh good my boy.
Sure.
Welcome guys. Welcome to Soccer Forensics. This is a platform where you guys get the latest football news from Eokanti up until La Ekasi. Sithola sishisa my boy.
Sure.
Sithatha Vandag my boy.
Ya ntwana vandag ngifuna sithathe sibeke naturally ntwana. Amakhosi. Definitely my boys ntwana. Yeah, Kaizer Chiefs have signed Ethan Chislet, Umchita U10.
Hayi wena man.
A 26-year-old player from Europe. He's a South African player by the way. So yeah, he has been playing for Port Valley.
Port Valley.
Yeah, so in League 2.
League 2, ne?
Sure.
Okay. So you guys are bringing in a European experienced player.
The European South African players. Yeah. South African born players.
Yeah. It's ungasitshelani ngaye my boy, ungasitshelani ngaye.
Ethan Chislet ntwana but his contract has set to expire on the 30th of June. Yeah, so okay. He refused some European clubs, man, to come to Nigeria now, young tall.
Okay.
So yeah, he's 26 years. Yeah.
I wish they would tell us which European clubs, because this guy has been playing League 2, ne?
Yeah, he's been there
since from 2016.
Yeah, obvious.
Yeah, but he's not like a top flight type of player.
Yeah, but looking at the videos, man, what we see on the videos? I think.
The experience corner.
Yeah.
They are taking it's an attacking middle field as well, ne?
Yeah, he plays as number 10 role. So
yeah.
He was born in Durban. I'm told. Yeah.
So is season yake 18 boy.
25 appearances. He scored 4 goals. With 1 assist.
Okay.
And accumulated 4 yellow cards.
Are those good numbers though?
It's not a striker. He plays.
Oh, mind you, yeah. He's not a striker.
He's number 10.
Yeah.
He's the link between the midfielder and the strikers.
Yeah. That's good. I don't know, my boy. I don't know if this is like a great signing for you guys. Like you guys just let Umbule pass you by for this guy. I think this was just the plans, and when Umbule offered himself to you guys, you already had a plan. Or campaign, boy.
And then I feel like that is why they've delayed the progress yakambule ukuthi bamsana or kanjani uyangithola.
Yeah.
So cause mongothi uyabheka iParity my announced hiring then nazi indaba ngumthokozi Stube from Far Post. Shout out to Mthokozi Stube.
Yeah.
So man, boom, and then Chislet has signed with Kaizer Chiefs. Young Tola. So but for me I feel like we could have just snatched Sipombula
for this guy.
My reason is that we know Sipombula.
Yeah.
Young Tola,
in and out.
Yeah, but we don't know Chislet.
Yeah.
Though Abanyabazotia, we've been following his progress. But we don't watch these leagues, man, and
sure.
This English league is not easy. League 2.
League 2, yeah.
So yeah, man. But Usipombu Ulesias, okay, he's a quality. He's a South African player. He's been playing on the Betway Premiership. So yeah.
This guy is more of he is an attacking midfielder, ne?
Yeah.
He plays on the left as well. He can play as a winger as well.
Yeah.
Uzomdlalisa nobani lapha pha?
Obvious anakwamele angene lapha phakathi enkambini la kudlala khona Serino, like he will compete with Castin Serino
for number 10
nomntu uDai angithola.
Oh yeah
for that at number 10 position. So
Really, really interesting. This means you guys, since the contract ipele on your pela on the 30th of June, ne?
Yeah.
So you guys like taking him as a free agent.
Obvious, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, we'll take him as a free agent.
That's good. That's a good thing. Because I'm seeing the value here. And it's like 300 to 350k euros.
Sure.
So if you guys been Umlanda straight, you guys had to like pay a hefty amount of money. But looking at him, I think you guys will be benefiting.
Yeah, true. Yeah, we'll be benefiting because mawungathi uyabheka lo umdlali othanda ukuzithola seboxing uyangithola. That is why he's banging these goals. So I think as a Kaizer Chiefs we've been lacking that uyangithola
on the attacking.
Sure.
So you guys, you are actually fixing your final third kona manje, because you guys have been struggling with banging those goals and linking up play lapha phambili.
Sure, yeah. And I believe you'll bring that competition ngithola lapha between Augustine Sereno nomdu nabo ngithola. So I think like it's a great signing for Kaizer Chiefs, man.
Congrats boys, congrats. Guys, just like, share, comment. Don't forget to share, to make sure that you share. The more you share the video, the more we get more people into the channel, and
sure.
And thanks for the love, all the comments. We are replying. We make sure that we do reply each and every comment, guys. So
sure.
Thanks for the love. My boy, you wanna add anything?
Then she's like Umjita Uten in the building, man. Boo. Yeah, guys, please continue subscribing. Those who haven't subscribed to Soccer Forensics, like, comment. Let's engage on the comment section. From me to you, one love. Peace.
Soccer Forensics, we out.